Hi, in today's session, we are going to be practicing a simple, beautiful yoga session for children until the age of 14. Of course, even adults can do this. We are going to be doing a lot of animal walks, animal asanas. This will help you to improve your strength, your posture, your breathing capacity, your immunity, and also your focus. आज का सेशन में हम बच्चों के लिए एक सुंदर सा योग अभ्यास करेंगे जिसमें हम एनिमल वॉक्स, एनिमल आसनास, इससे हमारा शरीर मजबूत होगा और फ्लेक्सिबल होगा, पॉस्चर बढ़ेगा, पढ़ाई में अच्छा सा फोकस मिलेगा। इस अभ्यास को रोज प्रैक्टिस करिए। मेक श्योर टू प्रैक्टिस दिस एवरी डे। एडल्ट्स भी कर सकते हैं इसको क्योंकि बहुत फनफुल सेशन रहेगा। इट्स गोइंग टू बी चैलेंजिंग, सो इवन एडल्ट्स कैन डू दिस. Before that, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon because your subscription encourages me to make more such videos for all of you. उसके पहले इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Let's begin. Let's first sit down crossed leg. सुखासन में बैठिए and let's close our eyes. आंखें बंद कर लेते। Take a deep breath in, लंबी गहरी सांस पेट तक लेके जाए. Take it all the way till your stomach. And breathe out. Once again, breathe in. एक और बार श्वास अंदर. All the way till your tummy. पेट तक लेके जाएं श्वास को. And breathe out. श्वास छोड़िए. One more time. Breathe in till your tummy. श्वास अंदर एक और बार. And breathe out, relax. And slowly and gently open your eyes. आंखें खोल सकते हैं. So today we are going to be taking a trip to the jungle. आज हम जंगल पे जाने वाला हैं. So we will be seeing a lot of animals. So let's imitate the animals. But before that, let's blow out some candles. उसके पहले थोड़ा candle breath करते हैं. Now how to do candle breath? You breathe in. And you breathe out through the mouth with a little force. मुंह से श्वास, तेजी से श्वास छोड़िए. Like that. All right? Okay. Let's stand up. सब खड़े हो जाएं. So let's begin with blowing out 3 candles. Okay? 3 candle अभी blow करेंगे. Breathe in. And very good. Relax. Now, shall we blow out 5 candles? All right? 5 कैंडल अभी ब्लो करेंगे. सही है ना? ठीक है. श्वास अंदर एंड ब्रीथ आउट. वेरी गुड. नाउ चैलेंज फॉर यू. लेट्स ब्लो 7 कैंडल्स. अभी 7 कैंडल्स ब्लो करने वाले हैं. 7 कैंडल्स. ब्रीथ इन, आउट. वेरी गुड. यस. नाउ 9 candles. Are you all ready? 9 candles करते हैं. Breathe in. Yes, we have done 9 candles. Now slowly start jogging. Now we are going to enter the jungle. अभी हम जंगल के अंदर जाने वाला है. भाग के we are going to be running into the jungle. Shake your hands also. Loosen the whole body. And little bit of twisting. Once again, jog, 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 jog. And let go. Now let's begin with elephant. Abhi hum hathi banenge. Legs a little away from each other. Now take one hand to the opposite side. With the other hand, hold your nose and bend down. नीचे झुकिए, नाक को पकड़िए. And imagine this is the trunk of the elephant and we are swaying left and right. The elephant is very happy. ये हाथी बहुत खुश है. So दाएं बाएं सिर को हिलाएं. Now when the elephant is happy, it makes sounds also. And come up. And change the side, change the hands. हाथ को change करिए, नाक को पकड़िए. This elephant has 2 trunks. Now bend down and once again, all the way to the left and right. Keep swaying. A very happy elephant. and slowly and gently come back up. Relax the hands. Now keep one leg to the front, other leg to the back. Now keep one hand on the hip. Now this is your tail. एक पैर को आगे रखिए, दूसरा पैर को पीछे रखिए और पूंछ रखिए पीछे. Now keep wagging your tail. Now the other hand goes up. This is also elephant. ये भी हाथी है. Now this is the trunk of the elephant. Now breathe in and breathe out. Bend down. Go down and come up. श्वास अंदर, ऊपर, श्वास छोड़िए, नीचे झुकिए. Now very important, you have to keep smiling. मुस्कुराते रहिए. Inhale, go up. Exhale, bend down. Up and down. All elephants are very happy today. Relax. Now change the side. The elephant is changing the side. Now remember, you have to keep wagging your tail. अपना पूंछ को हिलाते रहिए. All right? Now breathe in, hand goes up, breathe out, bend down. सांस छोड़िए, नीचे झुकिए और ऊपर आ जाए. Come back up and breathe out. Slowly and gently come back up. Now let's do the elephant walk. हाथी जैसा हम walk करेंगे अभी. You can go to the back. Now what we'll do, we'll bend down and touch the floor. नीचे झुकिए और हाथ को नीचे रखिए. Now the hand and the leg are tied to each other. They're attached to each other. So hand and leg goes together. Let's start walking with the same hand and same leg moving together. Now see, it's a little difficult to be an elephant. हाथी बनना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, सही है ना? Keep walking. Nicely opens up all the muscles in the legs, back. And slowly and gently come back up. Now the elephant is happy. Now let's become a giraffe. Are you all ready to become a giraffe? Now, legs a little wider. पैर को थोड़ा दूर दूर करिए. Now take your hands up and cross your hands. हाथ को ऊपर लेके जाएं, cross करिए and bend to the side. अभी side में झुकेंगे. Go down to the right side and come up. Go down to the left side. This is how the giraffe moves its head. And up and down. कभी जिराफी को देखें तो क्या करते हैं वो जिराफ? ऐसा ही साइड में सिर को हिलाता है वो. Yeah, bending to the right and left. Bring your hands down. Now in the jungle, first we saw the elephant, now we saw the giraffe. Now there are a lot of peacocks. Now we're going to be walking like the peacocks. You like peacocks? Yes, I like peacocks. बहुत सारी मोर हैं अपना जंगल में. हम कैसे करेंगे मोर को? पैर को थोड़ा दूर दूर रखिए और घुटनों को मोड़िए. Keep the legs away, bend your knees. Now take your hands behind you and bend down. So these are the feathers. ये मोर पंख हैं. हाथ को जोड़िए पीछे. अभी बहुत सारे खाना है नीचे. अभी हम खाने को खाना पड़ेगा मुंह से. We have to eat all the food that is down with our mouth. Bend down and slowly start bending the knee and walking forward. घुटनों को मोड़िए और नीचे जाइए. And you can also make sounds like a peacock. Meow, meow, meow. Now the peacock is coming back. And relax, let go. So much fun, right? Being a peacock. Now let's do one more variation of the peacock. All right? Now what is the peacock going to do? Peacock is going to hold the hands together. दोनों हाथ को जोड़िए. एक और मोर का वर्जन करते हैं. इसमें भी ऐसे ही घुटना मोड़ मोड़ के वॉक करेंगे. We'll bend the knees and walk forward. But this time with the hands, we will eat all the food. हाथ से हम पूरा खाना को खाएंगे. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. If you want, you can go back all the way and let's begin. Mayu, Mayu, Mayu. All happy peacocks, colorful, happy and relaxed. Now the peacocks are all flying away. Now we see a camel. Oh, how come there is a camel in a jungle? So this is our jungle. We can put whatever animals we want. अभी हम camel walk करेंगे. एक हाथ को दूसरा हाथ के ऊपर रखिए और क्या करेंगे, घुटनों को मोड़ के नीचे तक जाके शोल्डर को रोल करके आगे वॉक करेंगे. We'll roll the shoulders and take the hands to the front and also bend knees. Yes. See, have you seen how the camel walks in the desert? Like that, our camel is walking in the forest. Slowly and gently come back to the center. Now there are a lot of wild horses. So let's run behind the horses. अभी बहुत सारी घोड़े हैं, उसके पीछे हम भागेंगे. क्या करना है, आप मेरुदंड मुद्रा रखिए. Keep thumbs up mudra. Hands next to the body. Now let's do the easy horse. But this horse we have to make sound with the tongue also. Like how? Like. So the knee comes up to the hand. This is the easy horse. Now the wild horses, how are they? They are going to run. So you can also run like a wild horse. घोड़े जैसा हम भाग भी सकते हैं. Don't bring the hands down. Keep the hands up, only the knees come up, okay? Relax. Just for a moment, catch up with your breath and feel how the body has become active. Slowly open your eyes. Now let's do the lion's pose. Legs away from each other. Now bend the knee a little bit. Bring your hands next to your face. ये सिंह का हाथ है. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, जीभ को बाहर करेंगे. हाँ, सिंह जैसा हम आवाज करेंगे. So we'll pull the tongue out and we roar like a lion. See, when you do the lion's pose, it brings all the energy up and you feel very strong like a lion. All right, let's do this. Let's get ready. Knees bent a little bit, tongue out. Ah. Good, yes. Let's do this 2 more times. 2 और बार करेंगे. Ah. Ah. And relax, let go. Now, let's become a monkey. How does the monkey move? Monkey क्या करते हैं? पहले नीचे आराम से बैठ जाते हैं. Now imagine the monkey is on the tree. Now hold the branch. Look to your right. Look to your left. Now monkey is very unpredictable. So look to the left and jump to the right. हमको पता नहीं चलता monkey क्या करते हैं. सही है ना? दाएं तरफ देखिए और बाएं तरफ जंप करिए. Look to the left and jump to the right. Look to the right and jump to the left. Look to the left and jump to the right. Look to the right and jump to the left. And let's become a frog. Are you all ready to become a frog? Now you're already down. Keep your hands down. Now how does a frog move? Now like a frog, let's hop. हल्का सा jump करिए. Oh, the frog is jumping everywhere. Ah. Slowly and gently come on your knees. Keep your hands down. घुटनों के ऊपर आ जाएं. हाथ को नीचे रखिए. Now let's do the cat cow. Breathe in, look up and push your spine down. श्वास अंदर ऊपर देखिए और रीढ़ की हड्डी नाभि को नीचे दबाएं। श्वास बाहर, एक्सेल, चिन टू द चेस्ट, टुडी को छाती के ऊपर रखिए और स्पाइन को ऊपर स्ट्रेच करिए। पुश योर स्पाइन अप, इनहेल, लुक अप, पुश योर स्पाइन डाउन, ऊपर देखिए, एक्सेल, चिन टू द चेस्ट, आर्च योर स्पाइन। श्वास छोड़िए, नीचे देखिए, रीढ़ की हड्डी को ऊपर लेके जाएं and keep looking up and down, keep moving your spine. And come back to the center. Now, gently move your hips left and right. A lot of elephants do this. हाथी जैसा अपना कमर को दाएं बाएं लेके जाएं। Are you still smiling? मुस्कान रखिए। And slowly come down. Now let's do the donkey kicks. अभी हम kicks करेंगे गधा जैसा. First, let's kick with one leg. First, kick with the right leg. Make sure nobody is behind you. पीछे कोई नहीं रहना चाहिए, ठीक है? दाएं पैर से किक करेंगे और बाएं पैर, लेफ्ट लेग, राइट and left. Now the donkey is very happy. Only those of you can. अभी एक donkey बहुत happy है, क्या करने वाला है? दोनों पैर से kick करेंगे. We're going to kick with both the legs. Only if you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 2 more times. Door bar. Very good. Come back to the center. Now relax your hands. Now we have seen even donkeys in the jungle, right? Now comes tiger. Let's do the tiger's pose. Bring your hands down. Now imagine your legs are the tails of the tiger. अभी टाइगर आ रही है, अभी टाइगर आ रहा है, आपका पैर टाइगर की पूंछ है. Now lift your right leg up and look up. दाएं पैर को ऊपर उठाएं, ऊपर देखिए. And right leg down. Now the left leg up. Left leg को ऊपर उठाएं, ऊपर देखिए. And right leg up and down. Left leg up and down. And once again move your hips left and right and stay still. Now we'll do the dog's pose. We'll do 2 dogs pose, okay? Now first lift your left leg up to the side, बाएं घुटनों को लेफ्ट साइड से ऊपर उठाएं. श्वानासन, डॉग पोज, एंड डाउन. राइट लेग अप, दाएं पैर को साइड से ऊपर उठाएं, एंड डाउन. लेफ्ट, डाउन, राइट, डाउन, एंड रिलैक्स. नाउ वील डू द डाउनवर्ड डॉग. अधोमुख श्वानासन करेंगे. हैंड्स टू द फ्रंट, हाथ को आगे लेके जाएं. कीप स्ट्रेचिंग, कीप स्ट्रेचिंग. एंड कम ऑन द नीज, पुट योर फुट डाउन. पाँव को जमीन पे रखिए, घुटनों को ऊपर उठाएं. लिफ्ट योर नीज अप. कीप लिफ्टिंग योर हिप्स अप. नीज स्ट्रेट, चेस्ट डाउन. Like the mountain, keep lifting the hips. See if you can touch your heels down. I know it's a little painful. Like a happy dog, wag your tail. अभी हमारा कुत्ता बहुत खुश है, वो भी पूंछ को हिला रहे हैं. And slowly and gently lie down on your tummy. You may relax your hands for a moment. Now we'll become the cobra. There are a lot of snakes here. बहुत सारी कोबरास हैं. हाथ को नीचे रखिए, keep your hand down, elbows close to you, and slowly come up. You don't have to come all the way, just halfway. आधा तक आ जाए और ऊपर देखिए, look up. Keep breathing and you can make sound like a cobra. Shh. All happy cobras. Shh. 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 And slowly and gently come down. And let's lie down like a crocodile. Bend your knee to the side and put your head down. And keep your hand in front of your face and above the head. मगरमच्छ बनेंगे हम. एक घुटनों को साइड में मोड़िए, एक हाथ चेहरा के सामने, दूसरे हाथ सिर के ऊपर. And let's roll over to the back. We're almost done. Our favorite Shavasana. Before that, let's become the fish. Let's do the fish pose. And then we'll do the jellyfish. अभी हम fish pose करेंगे. Keep your hands down under the hips. हाथ को नीचे रखिए. And lift your head up. And the body up. शरीर को ऊपर उठाएं. And drop your head down, opening the chest. सिर को पीछे छोड़िए. The fish pose, Matsyasana. And head up. Bring the body down. Now let's do the jellyfish pose. Now lift your right leg up and hold the right toe. Your left hand can go up. One hand is holding one foot. If you're not able to hold the toe, bend the knee. Or you can keep the knee straight. अगर पकड़ नहीं पा रहे कोई बात नहीं, आप घुटनों को मोड़ के पकड़िए. And change the leg and hand. Keep breathing. And one last. We'll do the Pavan Muktasana or knee press. Hold the legs and pull your legs into your tummy. पैर को पेट के अंदर खींचिए. And lift your head up. And let go, relax. We'll do a small relaxing technique. Lie down. Keep your eyes closed if you wish to. एक विश्राम टेक्निक करेंगे. आराम से लेट जाएं. Relax your feet. पाँव को ढीला छोड़िए. Relax your knees and legs. पूरा पैर को ढीला छोड़िए. It is because of the feet we are able to move, jump, run. We are grateful, thankful for our feet. इस पाँव की वजह से हम चल सकते हैं, भाग सकते हैं. इसके लिए हम कृतज्ञ हों, thankful हैं. Relax your tummy. पेट को विश्राम करिए. This is where all the food that we eat gets digested. Energy gets generated from the food. यहाँ सारा पाचन होता है, digestion होता है. We are thankful for our tummy. पेट के लिए हम कृतज्ञ हो. Relax your chest. छाती को विश्राम करिए. Now this is where all the heart, lungs, everything is there. Breathing happens from here, circulation happens from here. We are thankful for the heart and lungs. हमारा हृदय, फेफड़ा सब इस रीजन पे हैं, उसके लिए हम कृतज्ञ हैं. Relax your hands and shoulders. हाथ और कंधों को ढीला छोड़िए. It is because of these hands we are able to write, we are able to do so many things. इस हाथ की वजह से ही हम लिख सकते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ कर सकते हैं. इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स प्ले कर सकते हैं, ड्राइंग्स बना सकते हैं. इस हाथों के लिए हम कृतज्ञ हों, थैंकफुल हैं. We are grateful, thankful for the hands. Become aware of your head. Relax your head. सिर को ढीला छोड़िए. Now from the head we are able to see, taste, hear, smell, so many things we are able to do. We are able to think. बहुत सारी चीज़ हम सिर से ही करते हैं, देखते हैं, सुनते हैं, सोचते हैं, स्वाद लेते हैं. We are grateful for our head and senses. सिर के लिए हम कृतज्ञ हैं. Relax your whole body. पूरा शरीर को ढीला छोड़िए. Now slowly and gently turn to your right side. धीरे धीरे दाईं तरफ करवट लीजिए. और बैठ जाएं and sit up. And you may open your eyes. Now we'll do the sound of the humming bee. अभी हम भ्रामरी प्राणायाम करेंगे. This will help the mind to relax and this will give you lot of focus even in your studies and sports. इससे हमारा मन शांत होता है, बहुत सारी focus power मिलता है. Now how to do that? Keep your palms on the ears and we will take a deep breath in. And as we breathe out, we make the sound. श्वास को अंदर करेंगे और बाहर छोड़ते छोड़ते आवाज करेंगे. At the same time, what we can do is we can gently open and close the ears. Shall we do that? We'll do this 3 times. 3 बार करेंगे. Then after that, just for 1 minute, sit still with your eyes closed. उसके बाद 1 मिनट के लिए आंख बंद करके बैठेंगे. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's begin. Keep your hands on the ears. Close our eyes. हाथ को कान के ऊपर रखिए, आंख बंद करिए. श्वास अंदर, ब्रीद इन. ब्रीद इन. Breathe in. And relax your hands. Keep them on the knees. हाथ को ढीला छोड़िए, घुटनों के ऊपर रखिए. Keep your eyes closed just for 1 minute. 1 मिनट के लिए आंख बंद करके रखते हैं. शांति 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 ही। Slowly and gently you may open your eyes with a big smile. बड़ा सा मुस्कान के साथ आंखें खोल सकते हैं। How are you feeling? कैसे लग रहा है? Let me know. Write in the comment section. Comment section में लिख के बताएं. You know, when you do yoga every day, your body becomes strong. And see how your mind is feeling. Very relaxed, right? How many of you feeling your mind is relaxed? कितने लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा है? शरीर मजबूत हो गया, मन शांत लग रहा है, right? Your mind is calm, right? So keep practicing yoga every day and let's become better and better. All right? Share this with all your friends in school and family and your neighborhood. और इस वीडियो को आप सारा फ्रेंड्स के साथ स्कूल में जो आसपास हैं सबके साथ शेयर करिए and subscribe to this channel and इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए. And for all the parents, I teach Shish Yoga every day online, so you may join those classes and improve your health greatly. I have given the link for that below in the description. Parents के लिए मैं रोज शिश योगा ऑनलाइन यूट्यूब में सिखाता हूँ, आप उसमें जोड़ सकते हैं और अपना स्वास्थ्य को बड़ा कर सकते हैं, अच्छा कर सकते हैं. उसका लिंक मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है. Alright? And check out this channel. There are so many different videos for different needs. And we'll be doing lot of videos for children. बहुत सारी videos हम children के लिए बनाएंगे. नमस्ते.